Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So with that being said, let's just jump into the process. So first of all, we are going to be simply heading over to our WhatsApp, and here you can see we have these three dots on the top right side of our screen. Simply click on them and then simply head over to settings, and here in the search bar on the top right side of your screen, so you can see we have this magnifier icon. Simply click on that, search in here for backup. Here you can see we have chat backup. Click on that, and here we have all of these backup settings. So you can see we have this option to backup now. You can simply start backup, and it is going to be starting backup, but we are not going to be doing that. So let me simply head over to settings again. So here you can see you can simply backup your chats from here, and you can also enable automatic backup from here as well, so it will be automatically backing up using this backup to Google Drive option. So you can see you can choose it to only when I tap backup daily, weekly or monthly, then it will be totally automated. So that's a pretty simple process to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.